Hey, what's up? It's Philip. Welcome back to the channel, and this is about the time in the month that we get our free monthly assets from Unreal Engine 5. And for now I'm really confused again, and I'm trying to figure this out because there is no free content, free for the month content. There is a lots of free content on a fab. So if you go over here in your project, go window and go to fab, I can see things, so I can just go down and price and check it free. But I don't know, is this free permanently free collection or free for the month collection? And if we go to the fab, you can see that says featured content, free content, get the latest free content for a limited time, and hit explore now. We can see our limited free content until the date. So we have military airport, hyper outliner symbol something, and forest animal pack. I don't know if this is a free for the month, I don't know, but it's good to click add to my library, and okay, product added to your library, and let's add this nice outliner system, add this to library, and add this animal variety pack also to the library. And this is how you add your I don't know, free for the month content now. If you have any information, maybe I'm too early, maybe the free content will be available in a few days. I will keep the eyes on it, and see you in some other video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.